Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Gmail account permanently. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Gmail. Then from here, click on Profile and select Manage your Google account. Then a new tab will open. Here from the left menu, click on Data and Security. Then scroll down to bottom. Here you can see Delete your Google account. Click on it. After a few seconds, it will ask you for Gmail password. Now, enter your password. After entering password, click on Next. Then, a new window will open. From here, scroll down to bottom. Here you found two checkboxes. Check these boxes. After this, click on Delete Account. After a few seconds, you can clearly see that my account is deleted. If you want to recover your account, so as you can see an account recovery option, one thing you need to remember is that you have very short to recover your account. So, if you found this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.